fun speed round. So in each of these different shapes of toolboxes on our work table here, there's a question. John, we're going to start on your end.
All right.
And we're going to try and get to all 5 of them. We're going to do kind of a speed round, but anybody can jump in with a solution. Okay, is that clear?
All solutions on one question, or we just one
Anybody can jump in on a card. We'll get through as many as we can get through.
All right, here we go. Ready?
Legacy cast. Did you ever not finish a makeover?
No.
Yes.
No.
That's not true. You didn't finish that kitchen that time.
Boom! It was
What is hanging pot?
Next question.
Next question.
All right, next question.
It's finished enough. Go ahead. Jen.
Is there any skill that you still need help improving on?
Lots. Yes.
Everything.
Relationships.
Still learning.
Commitment.
Red
What's the
flag.
weirdest place you were asked for design advice?
Bathroom, airport.
Yep, definitely.
People really ask you for advice in toilets?
They follow you
Yeah.
into the toilet.
Especially baseball games in the trough.
Yeah.
No.
All right, here we go.
Okay.
I got one. How did you keep your designs a secret?
He can't keep
We
any
didn't need
secrets.
them until we get there, so
Yeah.
it's all secret.
Yeah. Sometimes there are times when we didn't know the room until we were actually taping the show.
Yeah.
So the designs were made up like on the spur of the
And
moment.
how long do you get for that one room?
Less than 2 days, less
Yeah.
than 48 hours.
Yeah.
Wow.
And the
So
design.
not even 48 hours.
Yeah, there was no time.
When we were at one moment, we had that room the morning, and then we went out and shopped the
Rapid
whole
questions.
thing.
Yeah, no. Thank you.
Right there.
Well, that's what I do. That's what I do. Has anyone ever lost a homeowner's keys?
That would be you, yes.
Yes.
Yeah, you have.
Probably.
No, have you really?
Well, we find them eventually.
Have you guys ever had to call a locksmith to get back in?
Climb through a window. We
No,
can fix it.
We have been locked out of the home before. Like,
No.
He just
yeah.
busts a hole in the wall, and we climb through, and then we fix
Because he
that.
knows how to fix it, right? Have you guys ever made an apology to a homeowner? Have you ever thought, oh man, I think I really blew that?
Yes,
Really?
I did.
when you use liquid nail on ceramic tiles. I remember that.
No, something wasn't timing out. And I remember we were supposed to reveal, and I came up to the homeowner and I said, I would love to reveal this room, and I could for television, because it will look great. But in my heart, I know it's not right. So can you wait with me a little bit longer? And they were fine. But I did apologize. I screwed up.
Yeah.
I know
Gotta own
I've
it.
wanted to apologize, but I don't. Yeah.
But she never had the guts to do it.
No. There's just not time sometimes.
Yeah.
I mean,
There's
it's
no
like,
time for
Please,
apologies.
Doug.
yeah.
Yeah.
But you feel bad about it
No,
now.
I meant that. I really meant that.
doesn't.
The thing
Oh
is,
my God.
the beauty of being sort of the carpenter on the show is you're
Right.
Switzerland, because you see people that are just like, wrecked, and you're like, well, actually, I just built the stuff.
That's right.
But on this new season, I'm also going to be the designer, so it's going to be awesome because I'm really going to have to dive into.
You're going to
that
be,
world.
right, you're going to be vulnerable in a different way.
And by the way, he did
Thank
a
you.
fantastic room, I have to say.
So kind of you to know.
Yes.
Yes.
No season.